surprise. That was not me. Telling you. Anyways, hey guys, DJ here. I just call myself DJ because, like DJ Bloody Hoops. I just say, hey guys, DJ here. Like that. So, I'm just going to tell you guys I'm going to make some. I hope I'm not going to say boots because I messed up on my other video I'm going to make. I said like books. I hope that catch the video of it. So, if you guys want to buy some of my books, you might have to find me on Facebook or Twitter, because I'm only on those accounts, not Tumblr. Sorry, not anything about Tumblr. I can't use that anymore. I keep on beginning my password for that. But I keep on beginning my 2 Twitter accounts. Like one is Troy Parsley, and the other one is what is it? Dance Bonnie Party. Yeah, I think I got a Bonnie Dance Party's email because it takes when I click the Twitter sign, it took me right to my account. Oh my god. Yo, I think I really got his email. I'm telling you. Well, I can't use those 2 accounts. One account, my dad, one account on Twitter, on my iPhone, my dad took it away for no reason. And if my friend G and Scott is watching this, because he got me in trouble. Jim Scott actually lives in the Philippines. He speaks my language. Jim Scott actually got me in trouble by playing Bandit from a Crash. Yeah. Wow, thanks a lot by telling me about that, Jim Scott. Thank you so much. Wow. You actually made my dad took away my phone. Thanks a lot. Oh yeah, Jim Scott. Yes. She found Creepy Broom Pony for you. Okay, I can't stand it anymore. I can't stand this anymore. I can't stand this. Wait, on. Yeah, okay. Master of volume is So I see you guys are later. Take care. Bye. Actually sound like a Dalek. You will be exterminated. When I have time for exterminate. I see sound like Morgan Freeman. Like, hello, I'm Morgan Freeman. I can't even say. I don't want to say it. Okay. If you want to buy my books, it's only $1. Just find me on Facebook. Okay, when I'm talking like that, that's not Morgan Freeman. When I say I'm talking in the Dalek voice, that means I'm talking in the Dalek voice. I'm talking in the Dalek voice right now. It will be exterminated if you won't buy my books. You get change, you should buy it. You get money. So I see you all like that. Take care. Bye.